Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Joe here from Bimmer Hub, here to feature our 2023 BMW G80 M3. Talk about the factory specs that we ordered special for this car. First off is this beautiful frozen blue metallic paint. This is an individual blue. We did a full body PPF to protect this paint. We did order this with a carbon fiber roof, carbon bucket seats. This is a 6-speed manual rear wheel drive. It's such a great thing to drive. It feels amazing on the road to drive it. Performance upgrades, all done by Bimmer Hub. This is our stage 3 package with the stock engine. Doc Race single turbo kit. We built a really great relationship with Doc Race. The fitment, the customer service, the sound, the quality, extremely satisfying. With this Doc Race kit, we did install a Precision 7480 next gen. This turbocharger is going to help us with high horsepower, beautiful sound. Under the hood, we also installed more carbon. We have a Kies Motorsports carbon fiber engine cover, along with their beautiful carbon fiber strut race, which brings a great appeal under the hood. It allows the turbo to pop more and give it more space. We did add port injection on this vehicle, equipped with a Mishimoto intake manifold. Guys, as far as the exterior, we equipped this M3 with a full body kit from RW Carbon with a CSL grille. We also retrofitted CSL yellow DRLs in these laser headlights, which really make the exterior of the car pop. Suspension, we used a KW height adjustable spring kit, which drops the suspension down, makes a nice perfect ride height. Wheels and tires, we installed 20-inch BC Forged rims, which gives it an aggressive look. Back here, you could look, we have a single exit to complement the single turbo kit. This is actually a Bimmer Hub exhaust. Our logo's on that chrome exhaust tip. It comes with a remote. One press of a button, you could get loud exhaust. Another press of a button, you could get it quiet. You could drive around town. It sounds amazing. It works, seamlessly. You can actually pair this remote to your garage door opener, so it's a nice clean touch. Just stick your finger up and open and close your exhaust valve. We're going to demonstrate right now. Guys, another great feature that we installed on this vehicle, which we sell at our shop, is the Dahler anti-theft device, which gives you many functions. We use it for safety, to keep this car in our possession. Obviously, there's a lot of theft out there. So with this device, it's active now. We could start it up. We have the key fob, right? Because that's what they're doing now. They're stealing key fobs. But the great part of this device, once you start it, you're not going to be able to get anywhere without having the remote control or the Dahler anti-theft app. I can demonstrate now. I'm going to put my foot all the way down on the accelerator. There is no acceleration at all.
Kies.
This is made by a great company in Germany called Dahler, right? So we get in the car, no accelerator. You got 2 ways to activate your accelerator again. One is the remote. Some people hide this in the car somewhere. It's easy, to find it. You just press this big button here. It's paired via Bluetooth. There's a control unit down behind the pedal. And now we have full acceleration. So the most important with this investment is a very inexpensive investment. It's protecting your car from leaving, obviously, your property. Along with the anti-theft mode, it does have a valet mode, which if you park the car somewhere, somebody else has to drive it, great. But you don't want them to accelerate hard or damage the engine or anything. It has a valet mode, which is only going to allow small accelerator pedal function, just so they can park the car for you. The feature it does have is accelerator pedal sensitivity. So it does have a sport mode. It has you know, many options, but again, we mainly use it for the anti-theft function. Check out this custom Bimmer Hub single exit exhaust with fully valved system here. Right now, we have the valves closed. One press of a button. On the road, it's nice and quiet. It's not obnoxious. You drive around your neighborhood. Now, obviously, we all love this sound better. So one press of a button, we can open the valve. And then let's hear it now. Sounds amazing. On top of that, you can put it in sport mode. And now you can get some of those burbles that people like. Or you can go right back to closed valves. Take it out of sport mode. Now it's just a regular car. Guys, check out another upgrade we made to this G80. This carbon fiber steering wheel was purchased from New Jersey Bimmers. We keep these wheels in stock. The same company that makes these wheels makes parts for BMW. The heated steering wheel works. The vibrator that goes inside the wheel when you go out of the lane still functions correctly. With adding all these performance parts and all these upgrades, we got to get everything controlled to keep it reliable, no drivetrain malfunctions. We just want to give you that full power without having any issues. So controlling the Stage 3 package have Reflex Plus by Motiv. That's controlling our port injection. That's controlling our boost control. On the keyboard to finalize everything on this custom package is ABP Performance all the way in Europe. He's giving us a custom tune that we're gonna show you at our all-wheel drive dyno jet at Bimmer Hub at Roselle Park. So we're gonna show you the true numbers. Coming up next, our goal on these, this is stock internals. Our goal is to get over 900 wheel horsepower, and let's show you how to get it done.
Dyno tuning the car. Our tuning ABP Performance all the way from Europe in Georgia. He went ahead, he remoted in, he helped us, you know, get this car dialed in pretty much. He actually went ahead and did a Flex tune. The good thing is that the car runs on 93, it runs on, you know, 85, 50, 60, 70, whatever it is. You know, you're running with ethanol, you still 93, the car runs. You know, you want the extra power, you just put ethanol on and you're ready to go. No need to change no maps, nothing like that. So you can see here are the results. Right here, this is the 93 portion pretty much. We make 614 wheel horsepower and only 482 torque. As you can see, super safe. We can push it more, yes, but this is enough just to daily drive it. Whenever he wants more power, he just add ethanol. This is when we start tuning here. We put about E70 on the car. At that moment, as you can see, this is when we started. It was making 796 wheel horsepower. We went ahead and started increasing the boost, of course, a little bit more timing, and the tuner started cleaning up. We moved to 842, 875, and then we actually left at 883 wheel horsepower. You can go ahead and take more power, because as you can see, the torque is very low. It's only 698. We can actually push a little bit more, push to like maybe the mid 900s. However, we're very happy with this. We like the power bank, it's very smooth. Of course, we're gonna take on the street, do a little rip, but the car felt amazing, it looked amazing, it sounded amazing on the dyno. And you know guys, if you want a fast car, just come to Bimmer Hub. and just stay tuned. So
Guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below. We look forward to seeing you next time. No, we ain't gonna see them. Looking forward for you to see us. Hey guys, thank you for watching, allowing us to display this beautiful machine. Make sure you hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.